Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to move a file from one directory to another. So here I'm in the downloads directory. I'm going to click here and type PowerShell to open the command interface and type the function mv for moving. What am I moving? So this is the file that I'm going to move, which is daily conf like this dot txt. Then we specify where we want to move the file. So I want to move this file to desktop, and in desktop I want it to be here in cmd. So I'm going to click here, copy this, then come back here to my command prompt, then click here. So the last item that you're supposed to have here should be so our files. Let's have another item like this, then we enter. So if we run this successfully and we don't see any error, that means we have managed to move this from the desktop, sorry, from the downloads to the desktop. You can see this is what we had in the downloads. So if you go to the downloads, you will no longer find it. So we have successfully moved our file into the desired destination. Thank you for following the video. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this.